This is my new TOSY Flying Disc. It's pretty cool. So I've had lots and lots of Frisbees over the years. I'm a big fan of them. I really like to play the Frisbee. The dogs like it. And in this case, we wanted a light up one, and I've had all different kinds of versions of those, but this one is definitely the best. It's got this really low pro connector here for USB-C. You plug that in, you charge it up. You've got your power button. You can turn it on and off. You've got your different modes, so we can go from dim to bright to ultra bright. And it's going to turn off when it's not being spun, and then when you use it again is when the lights go on. So we'll see if we can get them to. Oh, I have the timer set here. Let's set it to a little bit less. So now it should go off pretty quick, and as soon as you spin it, the lights go back on. How cool is that? This thing is so much fun. It's a standard disc, but it works with these LEDs, and there's not much else to it. Hope this helps.